All right, everybody, a little hurricane update is starting to pick up. It's getting a little windier, a little rain. Stuff is blowing around a little bit. Everybody be safe. Forget about it.